Hey guys, I just got a box from Charlotte Tilbury, so if you want to see what's inside, keep watching. I am so excited to finally get my products. Bills of the Magic Cream and the Magic Cream Eye. I got the Supermodel Body. This has been sold out every time I've ever tried to order. So I've been on the waiting list for it forever, so I'm so excited to finally try it. The contour wand. We all know this has been sold out. Eyeliner, because we always need black liquid eyeliner. And matte beauty blush, and I got it in Pink Pop. So if you'd like to see me try all this stuff, then follow along and using some of this in my next videos. Bye!